So a lot of customers ask us for a blackout package. What is a blackout package? So in a case like this, you can see that we're taking a vinyl and we're wrapping it on a chrome trim on a Tesla Model X to delete the chrome, or chrome delete, as you can see here. So here's the color, and it was chrome. We'll cover that up too. Here you go, you can see chrome, and that will be black, just like this. It really makes the car nice. It makes it look sort of more modern to match the original black trim. So you travel over to this side, you can actually see that the handles are chrome. And coming back over to this side, the handles are black. If you're looking to have a chrome delete or any sort of styling or appearance upgrades to your Tesla or any other cars, please come check us out at Ceramic Pro Elite, or in this case, you might know us here in the past as 5 Point Auto Spa. There's Ceramic Pro Elite service centers